How to read messages without seeing on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you want to read a message without actually opening the message, then what you can do is you can restrict that particular individual, as restricted messages go to message request and you will not have to send the read receipts to that individual. So go ahead and tap on the search icon you see there and then type in the name of the individual whom you want to restrict. Now, once open, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for restrict. Simply tap on the restrict option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on restrict again, and with this, that particular individual will be restricted. You can then go ahead and open your DM tab and then tap on the request option and you will be able to see all your message requests along with the individual whom you just restricted. So simply tap on the message you see there and they will not know that you have read the message. So this is how you can see Snapchat messages without opening. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.